Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to temporarily disable your account. If you temporarily disable your account, your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. Let's start. You must log in your account on browser. Open your profile. Click on Edit Profile. Slide down and click Temporarily Disable My Account. Select any reason. Write your password. Click Temporarily Disable Account. Click Yes. Your account disabled. Thanks for watching. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe.